G'day everybody, Steve here, 8th of May. Looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hourly, and we can see the whales are dumping Bitcoin right now. Here's the yellow X, which has just come up on the screen, and Bitcoin big red candle to the downside. So the yellow X indicates Bitcoin whales dumping. The yellow X on the 4-hourly doesn't come up that often, so there must be a fair few whales dumping Bitcoin here. This is on the trading view chart right now. If we have a look to the right-hand side, we can see everything has just moved to the red. Everybody's trending down. Bitcoin is now at $35,180, down 2.3% in the last 24 hours. And if we have a look at where we are at $35,220, I've put in the logarithmic bottom here, starting at $31,750, down to around the $29,000 mark. So you can see here Bitcoin at the moment at $35,200, and we're trending down with a whale dump happening right at the moment. We're looking at the logarithmic bottom down here as a target of $31,700 and trending down in the channel there to $29,500. And this looks like the next place that we're heading. There are two support levels within this area, but they're quite weak levels. So we're looking to get down to here to the logarithmic bottom where we get massive support. This is a super strong area where we should see Bitcoin take a breather and then move back to the upside. We have a quick look at the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. And here we are here, and we can see where we are at the moment, and we can see the yellow line, which is the indicator that I've marked. The yellow line representing the $31,700 mark. So allowing a bit of a drop through the line before a rebound, we can drop to 29.5. We should see Bitcoin taking a breather here and then moving back to the upside. And this dump is happening right now as we speak. Let's go over to crypto bubbles. And on the bubbles, we see Luna is down 14.7%, probably to do with their large accumulation of Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin is down, you would expect Luna to be going down too. Ape down 6.5%, ZIL down 7.6% after its big rises. And the leader of the day, Algo, up 8.4%. Let's have a look at the heat map. Pretty much all red, a couple of greens there, but nearly all red. Liquidations, this will be interesting. $109 million of liquidations. 64 million of longs, 19 million of shorts. This will probably change pretty quickly with the dump happening at the moment. Back to Bitcoin on the hourly, and we can see a little bit of a fight back from the bulls just here on the indicator, but that's just disappeared. So looks like the bears are winning this one. And as I said before, if you're a bull, you don't want to see Bitcoin go down, but it might be best to get this over and done with. Get to this super strong logarithmic bottom here, this support level here, spend a little bit of time in this area, and then with a strong Bitcoin maker come back to the upside. It looks like that's where we're heading, but with Bitcoin, as we all know, anything can happen. We could turn and bang, go to the upside, take off from here. And if we have another quick look at it, you can see on this chart that at the moment we're about 10% above the bottom of the yellow logarithmic growth curve channel. This is an area where Bitcoin historically has always bounced off. So let's go back to the chart for one last look. And here we are, we see the bulls trying to fight back on this whale dump. And there it is on the 4-hourly. Whales selling off Bitcoin. A good time for the whales, if they want to sell off, good time for them to do it is on the weekend where there's less volume and less resistance, so they can take control of the markets more easily. That's what's happening right now at this moment. Okay, so not exactly what everyone wants to see, but what we probably have to come to terms with. So we'll continue to follow Bitcoin and keep you updated. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'll talk again soon. Bye for now.